It was a lowly place for the King of Kings to be born, but it was fitting for the Savior of the world to enter the world in such a humble manner. The stable also represents the messiness of life and the fact that God meets us where we are, no matter how messy or broken our lives may be. The shepherds who visited Jesus after his birth represent the poor and the marginalized. Shepherds were considered outcasts in society, and yet they were the first to receive the news of Jesus' birth. The shepherds remind us that Jesus came for all people, regardless of their social status or background. The angels singing at the Nativity symbolize hope and joy. They announce the good news that a Savior has been born to bring peace and salvation to all. The wise men represent the fulfillment of the ancient prophecies that a Messiah would be born for all nations, not just for the Jews.
Now, to give the kids time to line up for the song. Angels, shepherds, and wise men were delighted to meet baby Jesus. Now, they will share the joy through the melody, Nilava Bole, lyrics and music by Reverend Sergeant P. Matthew.